What's up, everybody? January the 27th, Monday. Wanted to share something with y'all. I'm curious if anybody else out there has seen these little things before. I picked up a set online. They're real cheap, you know. You get a dozen of them for 20 bucks to your door. Not much money at all. For years, I did sheet metal work on, not necessarily muscle cars, but all sorts of things. And I didn't know about these little things. And they are so cool. Let me show you what they do. So check it out. There's nothing to it. It's a piece of square tubing with a slot cut in it. You got a thumb screw up here. You take two pieces of sheet metal and you basically take these pieces, put them just like that, where you can sandwich the two pieces of metal together. You tighten down on the thumb screw. It pulls them together flush and holds them perfectly aligned. Nothing to it. And here's an example of how they work. You can see that I'm putting this panel that I have cut out back in, and you need something to be able to hold it nice and flush at all of the edges, and that's exactly what I've done here. If you have a look at the back side, there's the little piece sticking out the back side there. Let's see here if I can get you a good picture. You see what I'm looking at there. And so anyways, that's all there is to it. So there you go. Don't know what you call these little buggers. Sheet metal clamps. Really not sure. Handier than hell. If you're doing a restoration project, get yourself a box of these things. They're fantastic. Click the subscribe if you want to see more of all the things I learn out here in the shop working on this old rusted pile of crap. Give it a thumbs up if y'all want to see more. Ian here at Red Line. Have a good night.